Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your audio sound muffled in Kinemaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Kinemaster, and as you can see, I have imported my audio. And if we want to make this audio sound muffled, we can apply effect. Wait, let me show you the original audio. Hello guys, welcome back. Okay, this is for the original audio and I'm going to make it sound muffled. If we want to do that, we can click on the audio until the audio is active, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the voice changer, and you can scroll down until you find the megaphone effect. Okay, I'm going to
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's
video, this is how the megaphone effect sounds like, and we can make our audio sound muffled with this megaphone effect in Kinemaster.
Hello guys, welcome.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to make audio sound muffled in Kinemaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.